New play to earn game SolFarm. This is new game, but as you can see there is already a lot of videos about this game. So today I will check this game and you will know this game is scam or not. So at first you need to go under my video and click on the game link. After that you will be directed on this game. But before playing we need to know this game is safety or not. That's why we need to read all of this information. The most important what we need to do firstly, when you want earn money from new game, before you need to check their social platform. Okay, let's check their Twitter. As you can see they have 13,000 followers. This is very good. Also we need to check latest post, for example this one, and check the comment. Good project, great, yes I will join this, and I didn't find any comments with a scam, so it's very good. Also I need to check Telegram group, and as you can see here they also have a lot of views and there is very positive comments, so it's very good. Okay, after we can check roadmap, so fast 1, fast 2, fast 3, but I don't need this information. I need to know this game is safety or not. And here is tokenomics, and we can join our mail list, but I didn't find contract address, and this is very strange, guys. Aha, white papers is here, so just click on it, and here we can check the rules of this game. So everything looks very good and I didn't find anything about scam. And the last what we need to check before playing is their contract address, so just copy, and as you can see I found their contract address on Google and just open, and as you can see I found this token SolFarm. As you can see this is new game, price started from $8, but only per 2 days price followed to $5, so price followed by 14%. I don't know why happened something like this, but I will not risk and I will not buy this token. So at first I need to see some grow, and after I will start playing this game, but before I don't risk, and I also don't recommend play this game for you. Okay, subscribe on my channel and also watch this video.